Science rules.
Guys, today we'll be talking about motion. Let's start with Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion says an object accelerates, slows down, or changes direction when a force is applied. Newton's second law says the acceleration depends on how heavy the object is and how hard it is being pushed or pulled. The greater the force acting on an object, the more it will accelerate. The heavier an object is, the greater its mass. The less it will be accelerated by a particular force. Newton's third law of motion says that when a force pushes or acts on, an equal force pushes in the opposite direction. Newton's third law is summarized as follows. To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law applies everywhere, but you can see in effect in a rocket in space. In space there is nothing for the rocket to be pushed on. The rocket is propelled by action and reaction between hot gas, pushed out by its engine and the rocket itself. Thank you.
Science! Hey, want to see some cool things? Where? At the Smithsonian. From famous flyers to four-wheelers, Tucker made 51 of these cars. Washington sold. Rocket ships. Dizzy Gillespie's trumpet. Lizard lips. The Smithsonian. Discovered.
And Discover Card is proud to be partners in the anniversary celebration.
Jaws.
How many credit cards make a statement like that?
Hello, I'm Amy. Welcome to the Science Talk Show. Today we'll be interviewing a cool scientist named Dr. Watermelon. Everybody please welcome Dr. Watermelon. Give him a round of applause. Hello, Dr. Watermelon.
Hello, Amy.
Thank you for coming on our show to talk about motion. Okay, let's begin by asking what is motion, Dr. Watermelon?
Motion is the change of position of one body with respect to another. The rate of change is the speed of the body. If the direction of motion is also given, then the velocity of the body is determined. Velocity is a vector quantity having both magnitude and direction, while speed is a scalar quantity only having magnitude.
Interesting. Can you tell us about the laws of motion?
The laws of motion is the relationship between force and motion was expressed by Sir Isaac Newton in his 3 laws of motion. A body at rest tends to remain at rest, or a body in motion tends to remain in motion at a constant speed in a straight line unless acted on by an outside force. If the net unbalanced force is 0, then the acceleration is 0.
Okay, great. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for being on our show. Hope to see you back again to teach us some more science.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
Everybody give Dr. Watermelon a round of applause. Okay, now we're going to do this thing called try it at home. What you're going to do is you're going to get 1 cup, a coin, and a card. Now you're going to put the card on top of the cup. And you're going to put the coin on top of the card. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to flip the card because the card just go across the room is called motion. An object at rest stays at rest like the penny did. A card in motion stays in motion because the card just go across the room. Thank you and try this at home.
An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion unless acted upon